Here's the house. This is a dirty house. This is what the before picture. You look at. This is a before picture. It's a nasty, dirty, filthy house. This is what you deal with an eviction. It's a nasty house. This is what you deal with when you're dealing with an eviction. Called, I ain't even gonna say squatters, man. You know, these are your before pictures of these houses. Your refrigerator. How nasty that is. You know, this is what we deal with, folks. This is reality. And we got couches over here. Look like a thing on that dresser right there. You know, gotta get rid of that. Somebody left for, some contraband. But this is what we deal with. This is what we deal with. You know? So folks, this is some before video. And to be continued. We're gonna get you some after videos on how here. Get you some camera shots. So evidently they had children, man. You know, it's not about the it's about making money, you know, but it's about thinking about the kids that was living in this nasty, house. The children succumb to this type of environment. The house is freaking nasty, man. This is the bathroom. Shower. It's supposed to be a little thing like that. Just saying clean that. Alright. We'll get back with you. Peace.